player up is number 55. This is Karthik Sharma, number 55. 30 lakh, please, looking for that opening bid at 30. At 30 lakh, do I have a paddle in the room? Do I have a team? Thank you, Mumbai. At 30 lakh, Mumbai Indians has bid at 30 lakh. Anybody else coming in ahead of Mumbai? At 30 lakh, thank you, LSG. 35, 40 lakh, Mumbai Indians at 40 lakh. 45 goes back to LSG. 1 crore to Kolkata. 1 crore 10 to the Super Giants. 2 crore 80 for the 80. It's with the Knight Riders now at 2 crore and 80 lakh. 3 crore CSK comes in. 420 the Super Kings. 440 Kolkata. 460 Chennai. 8 crore for Kolkata. 820 for Chennai. 840, that was quick. 860 for Chennai. 880, Knight Riders. 9 crore for 9 crore 20, Kolkata comes back. 9 crore 40, thank you sir, Chennai's bid. 9 crore 40. 9 crore 60, say Kolkata. 9 crore 80 for Chennai. 10 crore KKR. 10 crore 20 is bid with CSK. 10 crore 40 for the Knight Riders. 60 for CSK. 10 crore 80 for the Knight Riders. CSK's bid for Karthik Sharma currently. 12 crore 40. Kolkata's bid 12 crore 60. 12 crore 80, thank you Knight Riders. And 13 crore rounds up the Super Kings. Super Kings at 13. At 13 crore, Chennai Super Kings has it for the moment at 13 crore, ahead of everybody else. All done. Last chance for any other team. And selling for the Chennai Super Kings, Karthik Sharma. SRH says wait. 1320. 1320. 1340 CSK. 1360 SRH. 1380 CSK. 14 crore for SRH. 1420 for Chennai. Done at 14 crore and 20 lakh. Now with the Super Kings, ahead of everybody else, all done. And if we're completely sure, we will sell Karthik Sharma to the Chennai Super Kings at 14 crore and 20 lakh. Sold. Congratulations to CSK. We continue with the uncapped all-rounders. This is number 50, Prashant Veer, number 50. And let's open at 30 lakh, please. At 30 lakh, it's 50 lakh for LSG. 55 lakh, say MI. 1 crore for Lucknow. 1 crore 10. 1 crore 20 Lucknow. 220 Chennai. 240 Lucknow. 260 Chennai. 280 Lucknow. 3 crore Chennai. 320 Lucknow. 520, thank you sir. Rajasthan Royals at 520. 540, the Super Kings come back. 660, Chennai comes straight back. It's 660 now, ahead of the Royals. They are done. At 6 crore and 60 lakh, the bid is with the Chennai Super Kings. 920, say SRH. 940, Chennai. 960, Hyderabad comes straight back. 980, CSK's bid. 10 crore, Sunrisers Hyderabad at 10 crore. 12 crore 40, 12 crore 60, say the Super Kings. 12 crore 60, 13 crore 80, 14 crore. Hyderabad's bid at 14 crore now. 14 crore and 20 lakh. Prashant Veer to the Chennai Super Kings. We are selling at 1420. Sold. Congratulations at 1420. This is Aqib Dar. For Aqib Dar at 30 lakh. At 30 lakh, thank you Delhi. At 30 lakh, I have a bid straight ahead of me now. At 30 lakh, anybody else coming in ahead of Delhi? 85, say the Rajasthan Royals. At 85, 90 lakh, straight back with Delhi. At 90, 95 lakh for the Rajasthan Royals. At 95, 20. At 2 crore 20, 240, straight back to the capitals. 2 crore 60 SRH. 280 Delhi. 3 crore is the Sunrisers Hyderabad. 320 Delhi. 340 Sunrisers. 360 Delhi. 380 Hyderabad. 4 crore Delhi. And Delhi. Ahead of you Delhi. 460, 480 say Delhi. 5 crore for Hyderabad at 5. 520 back with Delhi. And 780 say Hyderabad. 8 crore. Delhi Capitals has come back at 8. 820, thank you. At 8 crore and 40 lakh. Sold for you Delhi. Aqib Dar at 126 is next. This is Mangesh Yadav from India, the all-rounder. And let's open at 30 lakh please. Thank you RCB right away. 30 lakh is bid. RCB in the center of the room at 30 lakh now. 40 lakh is back with RCB. 45 with SRH. 50 lakh with RCB. 55 with Hyderabad. 60 Bengaluru. 65 SRH. 70 Bengaluru. 75 SRH. 80 RCB. 85 Sunrisers. 90 Royal Challengers. 95 Sunrisers. 1 crore is the Royal Challengers. 110 say SRH. 120 say RCB. 130 say SRH. 140 RCB. 170 Hyderabad. 180 Bengaluru. 190 SRH. 2 crore is Royal Challengers bid. 220 SRH. 240 RCB. 260 Sunrisers. 280 RCB. 3 crore Sunrisers. 320 RCB. 340 Sunrisers. 360 RCB. 380. 4 crore back to the Royal Challengers at 4 crore. And 20. 420. 440 RCB comes straight back. 460 with SRH. 480 RCB. 5 crore Sunrisers. 520 RCB. Right back at 5 crore 20. 5 crore 20 crore and 20 lakh. RCB, that's yours at 5 crore 20. Number 56 is next. This is Tejasvi Singh, number 56. And let's open at 30 lakh please for Tejasvi Singh at 30 lakh. Thank you Mumbai. Right off the bat at 30 lakh for Mumbai at 30 lakh. Anybody else coming in ahead of Mumbai Indians? KKR comes in at 35, Mumbai at 40. 45 for KKR, Mumbai at 50. 55 for KKR, Mumbai at 60. 65 KKR, Mumbai at 70. 75 KKR. 80 Mumbai. 85 for KKR. Thank you Mumbai. 85 lakh. 90 lakh. The Royals come in at 90 lakh. With the Royals now, 95 back to KKR. 1 crore for the Royals. 1 crore 10 KKR. 120 for the Royals. So, Kolkata needs a second. 1 crore 30, say Kolkata. 1 crore 40 for the Royals. 150 Kolkata. 1 crore 60 for the Royals. 1 crore 70 KKR. 1 crore 80 Rajasthan. 1 crore 90 KKR. And 2 crore is Rajasthan. 220 say the Knight Riders at 220. 240 for the Royals. 260 for 280. Thank you sir. Rajasthan Royals is at 280. 3 crore. Knight Riders round that up and selling to the Kolkata Knight Riders at 3 crore. For you at 3 crore. Tejasvi Singh, thank you. This is Jack Edwards from Australia. And can we open here at 50 lakh, please, for Jack Edwards? At 50 lakh, thank you, CSK. At 50 lakh, I have with Chennai. Anybody else coming in ahead of CSK? At 50 lakh, then with this Chennai team, all through and selling for the Chennai Super. You need a bid? You need a bid. Gujarat is thinking. Indeed, 55 is bid. Gujarat Titans come in at 55. 60 lakh for CSK. 65 for Gujarat. 70 lakh for CSK. 75 for Gujarat. 80 for CSK. 85 for Gujarat. 90 for CSK. 95 for Gujarat. 1 crore for CSK. 110 Titans. 120 CSK. 130 for the Titans. 140 CSK. 150 Titans. 160, 170 say SRH new bidder at 1 crore 70 for SRH. 1 crore 80 for Chennai. 1 crore 80 for Chennai. Let's see what SRH says. 1 crore 80 with the Super Kings, 1 crore 90 Sunrisers. 2 crore for the Super Kings, 220 for the Sunrisers. 240 Super Kings. 260 Sunrisers. 280 is with the Sunrisers at 3 crore now with the Sunrisers. Chennai is out at 3 crore with the Sunrisers. All done and selling then to the Hyderabad team. Everybody else out and selling for the SRH at 3 crore. Jack Edwards for Sunrisers Hyderabad at 3 crore.